Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. I need no introductions because you already know my name, and it's so nice to have you guys back here. So today's tutorial is something very interesting, and I did a little bit of costume play. You guys can see I'm so proud of myself right now, looking good. Oh, so fabulous. This tutorial is basically two in one too. Like, it's a hair and a makeup tutorial. I'm slicking down my natural hair to achieve that really cute high sleek ponytail that Ariana Grande rocks so beautifully, and then the makeup look. This tutorial is generally inspired by her music video for 7 Rings, which dropped like ages ago, and I'm just getting to do a video. You guys please don't mind me. So I just really love it so much. I love the song, which is actually what I'm jamming to right now, just in case you see me busting out into some crazy dance steps. So I'm not much of a dancer anyway. So right now I'm slicking my hair. I've done this before, but this time around I'm going to be attaching the ponytail, which I just use normal braiding hair. So you can achieve this with braiding hair. And yeah, I'm slicking down my hair using some gel. You guys know the whole process. I dampen my hair with the content of my spray bottle, which is basically water, deep conditioner, and some of my oils. And then I begin to pat my hair in sessions. Of course, the hair is already detangled, and then I pat my hair in sessions and apply the gel. And I'm not using a lot of gel. If you use more gel than I'm using in this video, the hair will be able to last longer. Maybe by longer I mean like a few days or a week top. But if you do not dry it properly, it's going to itch you like crazy. So I just carry this for 2 days, so I didn't use a lot of gel. So that's me slicking down my hair, and I decided to do this tutorial because I really love Ariana Grande. Like, with all the things, she's like my spirit animal. Like, you know, when I knew, it was when I watched her Thank You Next video. If you haven't seen it, go and watch Ariana. Like, this is not a hype for Ariana Grande. Oh god, I think I'm blabbing. You guys are going to think I'm obsessed. Anyway, in that video she basically took concepts from my favorite movies of all time, because I am a chick flick buff. I love chick flick movies. Like, it's that bad that none of my family members, nobody lets me pick movies because they know the movie is going to pick the classic chick flick that just makes them want to throw up. Yeah, I'm girly like that, I'm sorry. So, you know, she did the Legally Blonde, she did the 13 Going on 30, she did the Mean Girls. She recreated my favorite scenes, and I'm like, oh my god, Ariana Grande, you get me so much. I had to do. Then when I saw the video for her 7 Rings, I'm like, oh my god, I love that ponytail. I love the sparkly lipstick she has on. I'm definitely doing this look. So this is me doing it and teaching you guys how to be a Barbie, because I consider myself an African melanin Barbie. So my hair is almost done. This is just me chatting with you guys. I'm not walking you guys through the process per se, because you guys can see what I'm doing. So after the hair, I'm going to be getting into the makeup. Right now I'm just securing my ponytail with bobby pins, and yeah, you can actually coil your ponytail because it's braiding hair, so you can coil it with hot water. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to coil your braiding hair. So now this is me doing the makeup, and I've done my brows, priming my eyes with some concealer from Beyond Beauty Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian cosmetic company. I did a review on them last. I could tag it off so that you guys could check it out. So now the eyeshadow palette I'm using is the BH Cosmetics 88 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm just creating like a pink gradient from a light shade of pink to a darker shade of pink in my crease. And then I'm taking some purple in the outer corner and bringing it inwards. And for my brow bone highlight, I'm just going with like the lightest shade of pink. And then this palette I'm going into is the Glitter Obsession palette, also by Beyond Cosmetics, and I'm just taking that purple shade. So we're playing with purples and pinks today. Okay. So now that's the Beyond Beauty gel liner, which I think is like the blackest black. I think I even had a hard time deciding which one I prefer between Inglot and this particular Beyond Beauty gel liner. Like, I love it. So now I'm priming my face using also the primer by Beyond Beauty Cosmetics, and the foundation that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation in the shade 365, which I really love. I actually went into a beauty store in Lagos, the Lacroix Cosmetics, and I got it. I never that was actually not what I went there to buy, but they convinced me and I love it. Like, this is like my perfect shade. So now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and oh my god, guys, I've been so loyal to LA Girl Pro, but when I used this one, I was like, oh my god, this feels so different. It's really creamy, easily blendable, it doesn't dry up. You know, like there's some concealers that I use, I'm not going to call the brand, but whenever I use the concealer, it kind of dries up, and when it dries up, it gets difficult to blend. But this one, it was on for a while I was doing my little dance, and still I was able to blend it out with my beauty blender. So now I'm setting my face using some powder from the Beyond Beauty Professional 6 Color Powder Palette. So I'm just doing some reverse contouring because there's no cream contouring today. Then the lipstick I'm using is also from Beyond Beauty. I'm using Beyond Beauty today. Like, I'm repping Niger makeup brands. Hey, all the Nigerians watching this video, say hey. So now, to achieve the glitter lips that Ariana Grande had in one of her looks in the video, I just applied some glitter, a mixture of purple and pink, on my lips over the lipstick. And of course, the glitter didn't need glitter glue. I think that just makes everyone's life easy, where you don't have to, you know, fight with glitter glue. It makes your life easy. So I'm contouring my face right now with the face definer from Beyond Beauty. Sorry guys, I have the sniffles. So contouring my nose, and now I'm going into my concealer palette and taking the white one, which is called primer. So I just prime the inner corner because I'm applying some more glitter in there just to make it sparkle. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes using the gel liner, also from Beyond Beauty. And I didn't mention that the lashes that I'm actually wearing is from Zikel Cosmetics, another Nigerian brand, and it is like the fluffiest. It's so gorgeous, so pretty. Like, those lashes are mad. Then now I'm just glowing up my face with the highlighter from my face definer from Beyond Beauty. It's actually an easy makeup look. If you guys can look, I put a fake beauty spot on my face just right above my lips, and this is me. I changed into my costume. You guys won't believe I actually went shopping for all of this. Then my girl sent me jewelry, and I'm like, oh my god, I and Ariana Grande can be twins. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.